In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do math in Zapier. Whether you're a seasoned Zapier user or just starting out, learning how to perform math operations within your Zaps can significantly enhance your automation capabilities. With that said, let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start at the Zapier homepage. If you're already there, great. If not, go ahead and navigate to the homepage. From here, you'll want to find and click on a specific Zap that you wish to add some math operations to. This is where we'll be adding an additional step to transform the data you're working with. Once you've selected your Zap, it's time to add a new step. Between the two actions you already have, you'll notice a small plus icon or an option to add step. Give that a click. By doing this, you're preparing to introduce a new action that will help with data transformation through math operations. Now that you've got this new step ready, the next thing you'll need to do is select an action called Formatter. This tool is crucial because it allows you to manipulate data in various ways, including performing calculations. Click on Formatter and you'll be on your way to setting up the math functions. With Formatter now selected, look for an option labeled Choose an Event and click on it. This lets you specify what type of formatting you want to undertake. After choosing an event, the next thing to do is to click on Numbers. This is the category we will be working under to perform basic arithmetic or more complex operations depending on your needs. After choosing Numbers, proceed by clicking Continue. This step will lead you to the configuration phase where you can define what kind of mathematical operation you want to perform. You'll find yourself at a screen prompting you to choose value, which is where the configuration magic happens. Within this configuration area, you'll want to select Perform Math Operation. This is essentially the core of what we're doing. It allows you to apply math functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to the values you're processing. After selecting this option, you'll be asked once again to choose value. At this stage, you set the parameters of your math operation. Click on Multiply or Any to specify the arithmetic function you wish to apply. This is quite versatile, so choose whatever operation fits your goals. Once you have everything configured, click Continue to save your settings and apply the math operation. Finally, to ensure everything is set up correctly, click on Test Step. This is a crucial part of the process as it validates the changes you've made and ensures that the math operations work as intended within your Zap. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to integrate math operations into your Zapier workflows. This addition can make your automations even more powerful and tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating.